This is going to be a video tutorial on how to subtract numbers in Microsoft Excel. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Excel here. Okay, I have Excel open now, and I have a little chart here which has three columns. It has column A, column B, and column C, which is the outcome column. What I want to do is subtract 100 minus 10, and I want to post the outcome down here. The way to do that, I'm going to select my box where I want the outcome to be posted, which will be right here. I'm going to click on it to select it. Then next, I'm going to click on the equals key on my keyboard, the equals key. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to click on that first column there, column A. I'm going to click on that first number, 100. And now down here you can see it now says equals A2. The A2 represents column A, row 2. This will be A2. Now the next thing I want to do is hit the minus key on my keyboard. The minus key. Then next I will click on the column B cell here. The number 10, that's the number that I want to subtract from 100. I'm going to click on this. And now it says B2 here. The B2 represents column B, row 2. This would be B2. The next thing I want to do is hit the Enter key on my keyboard. The Enter key. And the outcome is 90. 100 minus 10 equals 90. Now if I wanted to repeat that process for each one of these rows, if I wanted to do 55 minus 5 and 15 minus 3 and 20 minus 4, the way to do that, there's a very easy way to do it. You could copy the formula that you have in row 2 here down to these other ones. The way to do that, I'm going to first select that cell there. I'm going to place my mouse cursor down in the lower right hand corner to where it changes to crosshairs. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I'm going to drag downward. Now I'm going to release the left mouse button, and it has repeated that formula to each one of these cells here. 55 minus 5 is 50, 15 minus 3 is 12, 20 minus 4 is 16, 18 minus 2 is 16. That is how you subtract numbers using Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.